Welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can fix if Google Chrome is not opening on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So currently this is on my Windows laptop, and see here on your desktop shortcut of Google Chrome, you can just right click on this. Maybe there is one case where you can unable to open this Chrome, that is due to the permissions. Actually you can click on run as administrator, or you can change the settings like click on more options. If it is Windows 10, you will directly find this properties option. When you right click on it, you need to click on the properties and click on compatibility, and see, change setting for all users, whether you log in as an admin or the other users. Just run this program as an administrator. Okay, click on okay. Now means you're running this program as a administrator, just like. And the second step you can follow is right click on the Chrome shortcut, see here on the desktop, and click on open file location, and this will open the Chrome installed file location on your computer. So here for the shortcut, you just need to rename this. Rename this to a new one. You can right click on rename on this computer. As this is Windows 11, renaming is a bit different. For if it is Windows 10 or 7, the rename option will be directly available. So once you rename this, again copy this new shortcut to the desktop. How you can copy? You can just right click on this, and you can click on show more options or the properties, and you will find send to option. For the Windows 10, the option will be directly available when you right click, but if it is Windows 11, you need to click on send to and click on desktop shortcut. And now for the newly created shortcut, this one, see here, I'll just remove this one. Double click on this. This will may help you, and follow the third step also. Most of you, this step will solve the problem. By any case, if you have the chance to open Google Chrome and if you feel this is not responding, the first thing you need to do is you need to browse through this following URL. I'll drop in the description. Take the description for this URL. Chrome flags enable GPU rasterization. So check whether this is enabled. If this is enabled, just make it disabled or make it to default. Okay. Next thing you can check is clear the browsing data. I'll also drop this URL link in the description. You can go through that. Just browse through this, and sometimes clearing this cookies data and cache data, and if you delete this, your Chrome will work normally just like before. And doing this step, just restart your computer or laptop, then check whether the issue on the Chrome is resolved or not. The next thing you can check is open Chrome settings, then click on this reset settings and click on to the reset to defaults and click on reset settings. For example, if you have installed any extension or any software, something like that, that extra activity on the Chrome may be causing you this problem of Chrome not being to open or getting stuck or closing in between or something like that. Those problems get resolved. If none of these steps works, just uninstall the Chrome from the control panel. You can open the control panel. From this control panel, click the install programs and uninstall this Chrome, and you can download it again and install it again. So by doing this step, whatever the problem you're facing on the Google Chrome or Windows 10 or 11, the problems gets resolved. You can click on this uninstall program and find the Google Chrome in the list and just uninstall it and just install freshly. If you don't know how to install Google Chrome, I already did a video. I dropped that in the description also. You can install like this and you can install a new version. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.